So today I'm going to show you how to use the Eventbrite app so you can keep track of all the programs you've registered for and make it easy to come into a program and get your ticket scanned and to know what you're signed up for at a glance. So in order to do this, I'm going to download the app onto my phone. Now I'm using an iPhone, but you can use any other smartphone and download it from your App Store or the Google Store. So it might look a little different for you based on what kind of phone you have, but this is me showing you how to use it on the Apple iPhone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the App Store, and then I'm going to enter Eventbrite into this top box and look for the app, and it's right here. It is Eventbrite, local events and things to do. And then I'm going to install it on my phone, and it'll look different, as I said before, depending on where you're uploading it from. So just upload it and install it however your phone wants you to. It should guide you through that process. It might take a moment to install, but once it's done, it should ask you to open it, and you can go into the app and see all the different functions it has. So I'm going to hit the open button, and it's going to immediately pop it up on my iPhone. And the first thing it's going to do, it's going to ask you to log in. And these are all the different ways you can log in. Just remember, you want to log into the app with the same email address and password that you first used to set up your Eventbrite account. So hopefully you've already done that online when you've signed up for your tickets. We can open it up. As you can see though, when you open it, it's going to automatically on the Discover page bring up a bunch of events that are happening in Noonan or nearby. So you can actually register for programs right here from the app. So let's just go do that real quick and we'll see what it looks like. So let's click on the Adult Open Craft Day. And this is going to be the overview. It's going to tell you exactly what the program is, all the same information that's on the website. So you can scroll down, you can see a map and all the organizer stuff. And right here, you'll see at the bottom, there's this black button that says Get Tickets. And so you click on that. And right now, we're just going to get 2 tickets for that. So we're going to choose 2 right here, general admission. And then we're going to say register down here. And of course, again, it's a 0 registration fee because we don't charge for our programs. It's going to bring up all the information that you have in your account already with your name and email address. And so we're going to hit register down here. And it brings up this thing saying tickets secured. So now you have your tickets. It's going to say your order is confirmed. You can go and view your tickets. And there's a couple of things you can do from your tickets here. Now, because again, this is an iPhone, you're going to see you can add it to your Apple Wallet. So if you just want to hit that button, it's automatically going to add these to your Apple Wallet. So when you come in and get your tickets scanned, you can just show them right from the Apple Wallet, or you can show them from your app. So that's how I'm going to show you what to do now. So we're going back to the Discover page. So we have our tickets, we got it in the app or we got it on the website, and say we're coming into the program. So what you're going to do is before you come upstairs to the program, we always suggest you open your tickets. So maybe you want to open them in the car, or if you've added them to the Google Wallet, you have it pulled up and ready to go. It can get pretty busy, especially for our summer programs if we have over 100 people trying to get in. So you want to have those ready to go so we can get through the door and get ready to enjoy a wonderful program. So you're going to click on the tickets button, and the first thing it's going to do, it's going to pull up all your tickets. Now, if you have multiple tickets, you'll see them all here, and you see this is the barcode that we'll need to scan. So there's 2 different things you can do. Again, you can add them to your Apple Wallet and then pull them from there, or you can do them in the app, especially if you have an Android or something, you might just want to pull these up. So all you have to do is have this up on your phone, and when you come to the Carnegie, just show it to the person at the door, we'll scan it. Now, as you can see, we have 2 tickets for this one. So you would have to swipe to the left to do the second ticket, and then we can scan that, and then you're good to go. You can come in. We now have you checked off on our list, and so we know you will be here, so you won't get on our list for saying, hey, they didn't show up for the program. So just make sure you get every ticket scanned. Now, you might say, what happens if for some reason I don't have my tickets, but I know I registered and I can't find them? You can give your name at the door, and we can look them up on our app. But normally, you will have your tickets in here if you purchase them under the correct username, which would be your email address, and your password. Now, if you've done it under another username, or say you called the Carnegie and asked us to help you sign up and we signed up under your email, if you're not logged into your account, it may not show up in the app. So if worse comes to worse, just give your name at the door. It just takes a little longer, and so we might have a little backup. So we prefer to be able to scan the tickets from your app. And that's really all there is to it. Another good thing about the app is you can cancel your tickets in the app. So in order to do that, again, you want to be in this ticket window, and your tickets are right here. And if you scroll down, you're going to have all sorts of different options. You can look at the event details, you can see more about your order details, you can download your ticket. If you're worried you won't have access to your data, you can download your ticket. It'll be on your phone whether you can log into the internet or not. Some people prefer to do that. And then you can find out more about your ticket information. And then you'll see right here, there's a cancel order button. So we're going to click on that. And it's going to bring up a prompt saying, hey, are you sure you want to cancel? And you just hit confirm cancellation. And there you go. You have canceled your order, and you can see if you scroll back up here on the top, it says successfully canceled order. So that's a way to do it on the app. Now, if you want to only cancel one of your tickets, you actually have to go online and do that. You cannot do that through the app. So you can only do it through the app if you want to cancel your whole ticket order. So if you want to just cancel one at a time, you can either call us on the phone or you can go online and do it on the web browser. There's also more things to do on the app. If you want to look at your account, you can click on this account button and it's going to pull up your name, the amount of events you attended, and you can also fill out things like interests. You can have friends if you have friends who want to go to events with you. So there's all sorts of other things that you can explore if you want to set up your interests and manage your notifications and things like that. And for this, I might click on the manage notifications, and there's several different things. It'll tell you events you like, organizers you follow, and it'll be email notifications. You can just do this all from the app, so you don't have to go online and do it. So we hope that was helpful. If you have any questions on how to use the app, feel free to give us a call, email us, or just stop by the front desk, and we would be glad to help you out.